Learn with Crown Tech. In today's video, I'll quickly show us how we can create unlimited and multiple Google accounts without the usual phone number verification. Like we all know that if you want to create a Google account, you need to verify your phone number, just like we have here on the screen, before you can be able to proceed with your registration and complete your registration. But with this method I'm going to be showing you today, you don't need to pass through this process of phone number verification before you can get your Google account registration done. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do it. If this is the first time you are coming across my video, click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon in order to get notified anytime I post relevant information like this. Without wasting much of our time, the first step you need to do is go to your settings. So I'll go to my settings. You can do this in two ways depending on your phone. Now for me, now the first way you can do it is go to additional setting. Now this one you have here, you have additional setting. This one you have here after the app. So if you click on additional setting, what we are looking for is account and sync. But according to my own phone setting, there's nothing like account and sync here. So I'll go back to the main settings and look for account and sync under this place, so which I have under this after Xiaomi account, you have Google and account and sync. So I'll click on it. When I click on it, it will list out the number and the list of accounts I have on this device, my WhatsApp, my everything. So I'll click on this add account button. So when I click on add account, I'll click on Google. Now it asks me, when I click on Google, it will ask me to verify if it is me. So I'll use my fingerprint to verify, or you can use your PIN to verify. So it will check the info submitted through the fingerprint and it will take me to the registration place. So let's just wait because of the service. So now when you come here, click on create account, click on for personal use. You click on create account and for personal use, it will take you to this place where you have to enter your details. So I'm going to enter my details. Just enter your name, so I'll click on next. So I'm going to put in the month, then the year. I'll put my gender, so I'll click on next, just the normal way you create Gmail account. So you can see here it give me what is it called, suggestion. So I'll just follow one of the suggestion based on the tutorial of this video. So if I go with the first one, I'll just click on OK, and you can click on create your own Gmail account. If you don't want any of this suggestion, just type the one you want to use and click on next. So I'll go for this. For the purpose of this video, I'll click on next. Then I'm going to type in my password. So I don't want my password to show. I'll just type in my password. So I'll click on next. So after next, I'll click on it need to review my account, then I'll click on next. So the account has been created. I'll pick the first one. If you pick the second one, you have to do the settings in 4 different steps. But the first one, choose in one step. It will do your settings in one step. It will do everything in one step. Can you see 1 2 3 4? So it's going to do everything in one step. So I'll click on accept all. Then I'll click on confirm. So once you confirm, you come here and click on agree. So once you are done, your Google account has been created. So you can practice it, you can do it yourself and see it does not ask for phone number verification. So this is the easiest way you can create multiple. You can do this for more than one account, so you can use it to create unlimited Google accounts without it asking for phone number verification. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and if you want me to do any video about a particular topic, just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to do it and post it on the YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon in order to get notified anytime I post relevant video like this. Thank you.